SuperMindz Daily Life Quiz. What do you wear at night to sleep? Pajamas. What do you use to carry your books and school supplies? Backpack. What is the first meal of the day called? Breakfast. When the sun is up, is it daytime or nighttime? Daytime. What do you wear on your feet when you go outside? Shoes. What do you use to sweep the floor? Broom. What do you use to water plants in the garden? Watering can. What is a sweet, frozen treat often enjoyed in the summer? Ice cream. What do you use to erase pencil marks? Eraser. What helps you keep track of important dates and events? A calendar. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.